Stepping into the Land of Legends Kingdom. Hotel feels like entering a world of magic, adventure, and pure excitement. From the moment I arrived, I knew this wasn't just a regular luxury hotel. It was an entire experience designed to bring out the inner child in every guest. The first thing that caught my attention was the stunning castle-like exterior, which instantly transported me to a fantasy world. As I walked into the lobby, I was greeted by vibrant colors, playful decor, and an atmosphere that screamed fun. It was clear, this hotel is a dreamland for families, couples, and anyone looking for a unique getaway. The rooms? Absolutely mind-blowing. Each one is designed with a fun, cartoonish theme that makes you feel like you're inside an animated movie. Bright colors, playful wall art, and even custom-designed furniture create an unforgettable stay. And let's talk about the beds. So comfortable that I never wanted to get up. But with so much to explore, staying in wasn't an option. One of the biggest highlights of the Land of Legends Kingdom Hotel is its massive theme park and water park. It's not just an amusement park, it's a world-class entertainment hub. I had the time of my life on the high-speed roller coasters, while the water slides were an adrenaline rush like no other. The Chimera Tower, the legendary Hypercoaster, and the breathtaking 5D cinema were just a few of the many attractions that left me speechless. For those looking to relax, the hotel's spa and wellness center is the perfect escape. After a long day of adventures, I indulged in a relaxing massage that left me feeling completely refreshed. And if you're a shopping lover, the hotel even has its own shopping avenue with luxury brands, exclusive stores, and stylish boutiques. Dining at the Land of Legends Kingdom Hotel is an adventure in itself. With a variety of restaurants offering everything from gourmet meals to casual snacks, there's something for every craving. I personally loved the themed dining experiences, where even the food presentation felt like part of the fantasy. One of the most magical moments? The evening water and light show. The entire atmosphere transforms into a fairy tale scene, with dazzling lights, fountains dancing to music, and breathtaking performances that make you feel like you're in a movie. Overall, the Land of Legends Kingdom Hotel is more than just a place to stay. It's an experience, a dream come true, and a paradise for adventure seekers. Whether you're visiting with family, friends, or even solo, this hotel guarantees memories that will last a lifetime. If you're planning a trip to Turkey, this is a destination you simply cannot miss.